Hey guys, Ron here. I was running some benchmarks and my old GTX 760 was running at about 80 degrees centigrade, 80 C, which is way too hot. So I yanked her out of here in this nice little system, which I also turned around the cooler, so these cables, these water cooling lines are away enough, and I got everything hidden pretty nice. The system came out nice, and I pulled apart this card real quick. And I didn't even have to touch it. The paste was so dry that it just fell off. It wasn't even like stuck anymore. So I'm going to re-thermal paste this and run another benchmark and see how the temperatures are doing. Alright guys, it's not a great card, but they're good cards, you know? It does the job. Alright, so I'll repaste it, I'll show you that, and then we'll put it back together, clean the fan out. And this is the Enthusiast edition, which has the blower style. Pretty nice. So I'll repaste it, clean it up, and then show you before I put it back together what's happening, and we'll do some tests. Alright guys, and this guy's got the water cooler. Fans pushing, fans pulling, just never runs hot. CPU on this thing never, no matter how hard I stress it. Hey guys, not only was the thermal paste completely dried up, but this was covered in dust and dirt, and this cooling block was completely blocked. I still have to clean it some more. It's just unbelievable. Dust and dirt, probably 3 years worth of dust and dirt. So I'm expecting temperatures to come down 25, 30 C. We'll see. Alright, we'll be back. It's good maintenance. I'm actually going to wash this thing in raw alcohol. Alright guys, so temperatures are about between, right now about 15 below what it was. But one of the more significant things is the fans used to roar on this thing. It's running at least 10 degrees centigrade cooler right now on the Unigen test, and the fans are like 80% quieter. These fans were roaring before. So now it's running like 76 degrees. It was running almost 90. So that's 14 on this test already. So it pays to do your maintenance and stay on top of things, you know? Especially an older car. 76 centigrade, before it was 89 to 90. That's what made me go ahead and do this. Alright guys, so that's the quick update there. So, do your maintenance, stay on top of things. I wasn't dust bunnies in there, it was dust elephants. It was crazy. But I got them out of there, cleaned up the inside case, the fan, and the aluminum heatsink. All the fins were kind of blocked with dust, so I got all that out of there. Some thermal paste. She's running way better. And 100% quieter. Amazing.